Receive free dental care and get paid. Dental bills can pile up. If you need to get a tooth pulled, or if you simply need a cleaning, or braces, you will need to pay up quite a hefty amount of money. If you are looking for free dental care and get some money out of it, there are some programs that you should look into. Here are some of them. University dental programs. The university dental programs are actually one of the best places to get free dental care. If you are studying in a large university where there is a course offered on dentistry, chances are that the student dentists will eventually need live patients whose teeth they can treat. This is the perfect chance for you to sign up. Several weeks before the certification for dentistry begins, they will begin posting signs for the free dental care. You will need to sign up and reserve a slot. The best thing about these free university dental programs is that you actually get very good service. Because the student's certification hangs on the line, you can bet that the student dentists will do their very best on your teeth. Craigslist. Sometimes, you can also find free dental programs that have been launched by civic organizations. These are sometimes posted in Craigslist. Craigslist is one of the largest online bulletins where you can find places for rent, items for sale, and even freebies, including dental care. Make sure, however, that you take care to avoid scams. There have been some instances where people post fake listings in Craigslist. Apart from Craigslist, you should also considering visiting the local coffee shops and other community places where people may post free dental care and other programs. Befriend a student dentist. If you know someone who is studying to be a dentist, you should try befriending that person. He will likely need to perform dental care for someone in order to get certification. Even better, he will likely need to pay you as a volunteer. And even if the person already has a volunteer, at the very least you can use him as your connection to other dentistry students. Remember, it is all about networking. If you want freebies, you need to work on your connection and see which people can give you the service that you want for free. The student dentist may even know of some charity organizations that work with student dentists and professional dentists to give free oral and dental care for people. Relax. On the actual day when you will be getting your dental care, make sure that you come in early. Remember, the student's certification is hanging on the line and you need to cooperate. After all, you are getting the dental care not just for free, but you even get paid for it. Keep in mind, however, that the procedure will take longer than a normal trip to the dentist. The student doctors will have to work with their teachers hovering behind them. With these in mind, you should be able to get top-notch dental care. Even better, you get paid for it.